a train coming. It's coming from that way. Told ya. I told ya. Big, loud horn. Here it comes. I'm gonna wave at it. Canada. Just to let you know, this is my dad's house. Jeez, that really hurts my ears. There was a caboose on the last one, which is pretty rare to see in 2011. Last car. Plus the track was on fire last time too, which was really weird. It was just on fire. It was real creepy. It was right there. Right there is where it was on fire. Pretty weird. Well, thanks for watching. And subscribe.